The story of Dynapac begins in 1934 with the foundation of AB Vibro Beton, a company specialized in vibration technologies. Since then, product development has been one of our main focus areas. It enabled us to develop the world's first self-propelled compactor. Decades later, this machine has evolved into a sixth-generation family of rollers that still leads the field. In 1973, we changed our name to Dynapac, short for Dynamic Compaction, turning our reputation into a strong and committed brand. Over the years, our pavers, material feeders and other machines also became known for their reliability and performance. Equipped with Dynapac innovations, our machines enable customers around the world to achieve better results. Advanced machine technologies combined with digital solutions increase uptime and ensure the highest quality and efficiency. Strategically located production units and distribution centers, as well as a global sales and service network, provide the assurance of Dynapac support in more than 150 countries. And yet, our story still isn't finished. Under the wings of Fiat, our next chapter begins. We have a new visual identity with colors that express the spirit of Dynapac and our passion for innovation. An identity that signals our independence as a brand, with our own technologies and products and dedicated Dynapac channels focused on helping our customers. Innovation is fundamental to the Fiat strategy. As part of a group with extensive knowledge on road construction equipment and the ambition to be a technology leader, we can create better solutions for the challenges our customers face. Within the Fiat Group, we can achieve development and sourcing synergies to strengthen our own engineering and production capabilities. This will enable us to extend our offer with new products, services and digital solutions. Like Dynapac, Fiat knows that great support is the key to customer loyalty. So we'll seize this opportunity to build and focus our service organization, ensuring our customers always come first. In short, the Road Equipment Division of the Fiat Group provides us the framework and stability that will allow us to innovate and grow. A bright new chapter that will enable us to be a reliable partner who helps its customers pave the way to success. A promising future for the continuing story of Dynapac. Dynapac, your partner on the road ahead.